Okay, welcome back to another video on the Maths channel. That's your teacher, Mr. Lim here. In this video, we're going to be looking at question 26 of the Caringbah 2020 trial for maths events. The table below shows the English marks X and the mathematics marks Y for a class of 12 students A to L. Only the English mark is available for student L. Calculate the correlation coefficient between X and Y for the students A to K, and describe the nature of the correlation coefficient between X and Y. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to grab our calculator out. So I'm just going to do that. This is bivariate data because we've got two variables. So when I put it into stat mode, so I press mode 2, I need to press 2 for the two variables that I'm entering. All right, let's enter all the X values in. 67, 61, 65, 67, 75, 75, 69, 85, 85, 89, 87, and that's it for A to K because the question was us to go to K only. Y values: 58, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 72, 76, 80, 82, and 84. Right, whenever I want to get my answers from stat mode, I need to press the orange AC button. I need to clear the screen and then shift 1 because there's the yellow stat there. Now we want a correlation coefficient, which is R. So we need to hit 5 for regression. R is 3. And then press equals. R is equal to 0.9. So we can write that in. Now that we've done that, we can describe the nature of the correlation coefficient between X and Y. So we can see that this is a strong positive because it's positive and not negative. And I'm going to describe this as a linear correlation. Okay, because Pearson's correlation coefficient R is all about whether there's a linear relationship or not. So I'm just going to add that one in. Okay, question B. Find the equation of the least squares regression line of Y on X for the students A to K, and then estimate the mathematics mark for student L. So Y is equal to, actually let's not do that, let's see what the calculator gives us for A and B. So shift 1, 5 for regression, 1 for A is 18. Shift 1, 5, and 2 for B is 0.72. So if we want to write our equation of the least squares regression line, in case you forget which order to put them in, you can just go back to your mode 2 for stat, and then you can see for the number 2 that we tapped to begin with, we've got A plus BX. So in this case, it'll be 18 plus 0.72x. Okay, just in case you forget. If you want to rewrite it the other way, you can. Just y equals 0.72x plus 18. Same difference. Let's now estimate the maths mark for student L. So student L, the English mark was 80. So x is 80. So we're going to sub that in, and then we can estimate the maths mark. 0.72 times 80 plus 18, 75.6. Now, because all of these are whole numbers, I might just round it to the nearest whole. So I'll just say that's about 76. Is the maths mark for student L.